Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can insert a row in a table in Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have prepared my document in my Google Docs, and for example, I'm going to add row to this table. If we want to add only one row to our table, we can select one of the row like that, and we can right click on it and click on insert row above or insert row below. And I'm just going to select insert row below. Okay, but if you want to add more than one row to your table, you can select how many row you want to add. Let's say I want to add 3 rows to my table, so I'm going to select them, and we can right click on it and click on insert 3 rows above or insert 3 rows below. And I'm going to select this one. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the rows have been added to my table. Alright guys, and that's all the way to insert a row in our table in Google Docs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.